Hi, I'm Kay. Thank you so much for joining me for my big review for this new style by Noriko, which is called Wynn in the color Spiced Brown. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Before we start, I would like to say a big thank you to Adrian's Trenko for sending me this piece on loan so I can review it for you. I will put the link to this piece down below in the description box so you can find it easily, and don't forget to use my code K10. So let's start with the color, Spiced Brown. Such a dimensional, natural color, in my personal opinion. So it is described as a warm, dark brown, dark reddish brown, and dark golden brown. Here's the color outside, so hopefully that will give you an idea of what this color looks like in the natural light. Indoors, I only have two big windows, no artificial lights on. So let's talk about Wynn. I took it out of the box and I was so surprised because Noriko, in my mind, is always like for people who like volume, so like permatease, etc. So I was expecting that and I didn't get it, which for everyone who is like me and loves low density wigs, it's just amazing. So what you have with Wynn is, as you can see, it's a chin length bob with a bang. So it would need trimming, at least on me. If you don't want to trim, what I do is just move it up. And then you still can have the bangs without having to cut it. Obviously, that depends on your measurements as well. But you have this bang. You have textured layers, which just gives it this like really modern touch to this piece. So let's look at Wynn from all sides. Wynn comes with an extended lace front and a very wide mono part, which I will show you later as well. So let's look at this lace front. I think it's really, really well done. Hardly any knots are visible. So some of the lighter pieces are in the front, which helps. And it's just really well done, in my opinion. So you have an extended lace front. Let's look at the transition into the ear tabs. Yeah, I think it's fine. I think it's really well done. The wig finishes on me here, and so this is my bio hair, so I would have to add a little bit of a different color here to disguise my bio hair, but I think I probably would wear it like this anyway, so it's not really a problem. And then you have that mono part, which, because it's on loan, I haven't taken the zigzag parting out, etc. There wasn't really a zigzag parting, as you can see. This is how it came. So it is pretty much ready to go. I like it a lot. Let's talk about the fit. Now, straight out of the box, it fits my 21.5-inch circumference really well. I didn't move the adjusters. There's a little bit of room to widen it, and there's definitely room to tighten as well. There is a little bit of gapping for me in the back, but not much. So I do think it would fit a 22. Anything above that, please check that with Adrian's Trenko to ensure that it would fit you and it would fit you comfortably. Anything below the 21.5-inch, as I said, there's room to tighten it. I think it would fit you, but you will have bagging in the back. Density, right, this is a low density piece with very minimal permatease. It's not the pillowy kind. As you can see, it lies nice and flat to the head, so it gives a really natural look. Easily attackable on both sides. The fibers are regular synthetic fibers. I do think they have a little bit of an artificial shine, but you can just use dry shampoo, and after a few washes and wearing it and touching it, etc., that will go anyway. But for the first few times, just use a little bit of dry shampoo. Noriko fibers are normally quite hardy, so I do think, especially the length it is, so it's quite short, so it won't rub on your clothes really. This wig will last you, so I think it's a really good investment. Styling options. So as I said, you could move the fringe across. You might have to trim it a little bit, or you just move it to the side like I have. You can tack it one side, both sides. Ideal for when you have to work, etc. You probably could tie it, but I think it will fall out throughout the day, so you would have to put some clips either side to hold it in place. But if you just want to get off your neck, you can just about do it, but it will need a little bit of help. Half up, half down. Again, the sides here are not quite long enough. Again, you probably would have to put a clip in either side to keep it in place, but it is possible. So let's look at the cap construction. So you have an extended lace front. And as I said, a very wide left monofilament part. So you have a lot of options to part it where you like. So you probably could even get a middle part in, maybe it's just slightly off center. Then you have open weft sides and back. You have net covered ear tabs, net covered extended nape, and bra strap like adjusters. And here you can see where I have to have them for my 21.5-inch circumference. So just a little bit of room to widen it still, but a lot of room to tighten it. There is stretch in this cap and very little permatease. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you again to Adra and Strandco for sending me this piece on loan so I can review it for you. Link is down below, and don't forget to use my code K10. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you haven't done so already, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at KBryceWigs. Have a lovely day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.